Greenwatt is planning to conduct individual exposure sessions for all Relay Test Kit users in Indian subcontinent region. We are well aware of this fact that time is money and money is time. So without wasting your precious time, let us pinpoint what you will get in this webinar and who will be benefited. GW-Kingsine has released a new software in which you can generate characteristics of all major relay manufacturers just by importing the relay templates. You can also prepare and run detailed test plans of automatic testing of multifunctional relays. Now the question comes, who will be benefited? This information will help you out if you are an existing user of GW-Kingsine or Kingsine Relay Test Kits, or if you have plans of purchasing any make of relay test kit. This webinar will give you exposure to latest trends in the market, hence helping you to get best deal from relay test kit manufacturer of your choice. Fill the contact form below or drop an email on sales@green-watt.co.in with your contact details. We will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you.